Hi students, good afternoon and welcome back to Chakravarthy E Classroom. Today also we are going to discuss one question from seating arrangement. That too seating arrangement based on an uncertain number of persons. Yesterday we had a fantastic question. I hope most of the students have completed that one. It's really good to see. And this question also already I have posted in our Telegram channel. By this time most of the students must have done this one. And many students are asking after posting the question, how much time would it be taking for this question to do? See students, the reasonable timing for this question is not more than 2 minutes. The students who have been practicing these questions should not take more than 2 minutes. But beginners, as it is, I'm telling you, don't worry about timing. You just take 5 to 10 minutes. It doesn't matter, but maintain the accuracy. Okay, now let's start the question here. How they have given certain number of persons, we don't know how many are there, are standing in a row facing north. One thing is clear, all are facing north. Next one, they started the information like this. How to start the question, students? I told you the technique in our basic classes, and even yesterday's class also I told you, you need to search for that information which is giving some definite data to you to start with. Search for that one. Till you get that information, keep all the other information on the rough work, which should be handy to you, handy for you, and you should take that one clearly onto the chart as and when it is required. That is the best technique to go for this type of questions. Okay, now start with this one. The first information they have given, 3 persons sit between Ramanathan and Balerao, who is not neighbor of Kiran. Very clearly, I cannot start with this question because nothing is given, but some clues are there. I am just keeping it on the rough work. How is that? 3 persons sit between Ramanathan and Balerao. Suppose if I take this one as Ramanathan. 3 persons, 1, 2, 3, it should be Balerao, who is not neighbor of Kiran. Kiran cannot be here or here. Same way, Balerao can be this side, Ramanathan can be that side, because they have given only between these two, 3 persons are there. If I take Balerao here, 1, 2, 3, it is Ramanathan, and Kiran should not be here and even here also. Remember this one. This is one set of information for me. Okay, now go for second information. 5 persons sit between Arun and Kiran. Again the same thing. 5 persons between Arun and Kiran. So I am taking in this way. Suppose this is Arun. 5 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it should be Kiran. Or Kiran, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it should be Arun. Okay, so now students, I told you in our basic classes, even in the rough work also, if they give any small clue also, you try to correlate those two. But here, if you think it over, these two, very difficult to combine these two. Even though I am getting common persons, very difficult to combine these two. Alright, common person is Kiran here, but very difficult to combine. Keep it aside. Now go for the third information here. Ramanathan sits third to the left of Kiran. Now you see, it's a good information. Now there is a relationship between Ramanathan and Kiran. Kiran is here. Alright, again Kiran is here. Now there is a relationship between Ramanathan and Kiran. In this case, the best technique, I told you, we have solved many questions. You can combine these two information with the help of third and keep it on the rough work. Or if it is possible to take the combination onto the fair work, take it on the fair work. Nothing is there, right? Let me try this one. Here Ramanathan sits third to the left of Kiran. Now Kiran's confirmed place is this one. I'll examine these two. Ramanathan sits third to the left of Kiran. Is it third only? Where is this one? Ramanathan sits third to the left of Kiran, right? This is Kiran, first, second, third. What if I keep Ramanathan here? Okay, if Ramanathan is here, these two conditions should be fulfilled. Even for this also, these two should be fulfilled. Now let's go for this one. If this is Ramanathan, on the third right or fourth right of Ramanathan, that should be Balerao. Okay, according to this one. So Ramanathan, 1, 2, 3, 4, it should be Balerao. But clearly Balerao and Kiran cannot be together. Now you examine this one. Suppose Ramanathan is here. Left of Ramanathan, 1, 2, 3, 4th person should be Balerao. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4th person is Balerao. Yes, Balerao is here. Kiran is here. This is a possibility. Yes or no? Now try with this one also, very quick. Now you have to do it. Simple one. So Ramanathan sits third to the left of Kiran. Now this is Kiran. Ramanathan third to the left of Kiran. First, second, third. This is Ramanathan. Over. Okay, Ramanathan sits third to the left of Kiran, and examine this one. Suppose this is Ramanathan. On the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4th person should be Balerav according to this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4th person Balerav not possible because Balerav and Kiran should not be neighbors. Now examine this one. This is the way, students. Now here Ramanathan on the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4th person is Balerav. 1, 2, 3, 4th is Balerav. Balerav is here. Kiran is here. No problem. Now finally, with the help of 3 information, I found this one is a possibility and even this is also one of the possibilities. Okay, so now how to go further, that depends upon a confirmed information. I am still waiting for that one. Now take the next sentence. Lalal is equidistant from Imran and Ramanathan. What do you mean by this one? Lalal is equidistant from Imran and Ramanathan. That means between Imran and Ramanathan, Lalal should be middle of these two. So here, I just show you how to go for this one. Lalal is, I am taking Lalal here, equidistant from Imran and Ramanathan. Between these two, how many persons are there? Those many persons should be there between these two. Either in this way or Ramanathan, Imran and Lalal. You can do in this way. But I cannot correlate this one here because many possibilities are there. Keep it aside. What's the next information? Prince is equidistant from Lalal and Balerav. Good question this one, right? Now you see, Prince is equidistant from Lalal and Balerav. Either in this way or in this way, equidistant. Beautifully they have framed this one. Okay, next one you see, 2 persons sit between Arun and Imran. Who sits 5th from the right end? Right. Now I got a confirmed information. I have to start the question with this one. Okay, what is this one? 2 persons sits between Arun and Imran. Who sits? That means Imran sits 5th from the right end. I am doing in this way. This is the right end. For example, 5th. First, I'll just write here. Here. So first, second, third, 4th, and it is Imran. Right. Now the next information you see, 2 persons sit between Arun and Imran. Again the problem. 2 persons between Arun and Imran means Arun can be 1, 2 here or 1, 2 here. 2 possibilities are there. So generally wait for 1 or 2 information so that you can close it with 1 possibility, or else you have to go with second possibility. What's the next information they have given? Number of persons sit to the right of Arun is same as number of persons to the left of Ramanathan. Very, very important information. Now you see, with the help of this information, am I able to do anything? Just I repeat the information. Number of persons sit right to Arun. Suppose if you keep Arun here, how many number of persons are there right to Arun? He is facing north. 1 person. Same number of persons should be there on the chart on the left of Ramanathan. Now we got the idea? Right. If that is the case, students, if you go for Ramanathan, more or less Ramanathan place is fixed. Left of Ramanathan, whether it is true or it is true, we don't know. But between these two, if you go left of Ramanathan, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Minimum 4 that is. That means on the fair chart, to the left of Ramanathan, minimum 4 should be there. Less than 4 is not possible. That means on the right side of Arun also minimum 4 should be there. Yes or no? For that reason, keeping Arun here is not possible here. If you keep Arun here on the right side, only 1 person is there. But for Ramanathan on the left side, minimum 4 persons are there. That means I cannot keep Arun here. Now Arun must be on the left of Imran. How many places away? 3 places. That means between those two, 2 persons are there. 1, 2. It must be Arun. Oh, this is the first success we got. Now think it carefully, students. Before going for the further information also, I can fix the place of Ramanathan here. How is that one? You see, I don't know whether it is true or it is true, but I can fix the place of Ramanathan because how many persons are there on the right side of Arun? That is equal to the number of persons who are left side of Ramanathan. That means if I keep Ramanathan somewhere here, On the left side of Ramanathan, how many persons should be there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons should be there on the left side of Ramanathan. So I may keep Ramanathan somewhere here. For example, I am writing somewhere here. On the left side of him, 7 persons should be there. Now here you should get a doubt. What is that one? Sir, why should I keep Ramanathan on the left side of Arun only? Why can't I keep Ramanathan on the right side? Because even if you keep Ramanathan here also, Arun's right side 7 are there. If you keep Ramanathan here on the left side, you can count 7 persons. That doubt should come to you. Alright, now my biggest question is, where shall I keep Ramanathan? On the right side of Arun somewhere or on the left side? For that, we take the help of these two possibilities, students here. In one possibility, Ramanathan is on the right side of Arun. In the other possibility, Ramanathan is on the left side somewhere for Arun. Now, if I take this possibility to be true for some time, Ramanathan should be on the third right, first, second, third. But think carefully, students, this is Arun, right? First, second, third, that place is already occupied by Imran. How can I keep Ramanathan there? Yes or no? For Ramanathan, two possibilities. Either somewhere on the right side of Arun or on the left side. Right side is not possible. Right side means this possibility. This is not at all possible because already this place is occupied by Imran. So, very clearly, this possibility is wrong. I cannot keep Ramanathan on somewhere right side of Arun. So, Ramanathan must be somewhere on the left side of Arun. For example, I don't know how many are there here now. Let us do in this way. Suppose this is Ramanathan. I am taking in this way. That means I am considering this possibility, not that one. Now, if Ramanathan is there, according to the conditions, how many are there on the right side of Arun? Those many should be there on the left side of Ramanathan. So that means right side of Arun we have just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the left side of him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He is the last person. But left hand person, and he is the last person, right hand person. Over this one. Now I need to find out how many are there between Ramanathan and Arun. Now I'll take the help of this one. So Ramanathan and Arun, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 persons are there. So now between this one, now I need to keep 8 dots here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. Okay, so now here on the right side of Ramanathan, after 2 places, third place is Kiran. First, second, third, this place. I am giving this one to Kiran. Over. Next one, left of Ramanathan, 1, 2, 3, fourth place is Bhalerao. 1, 2, 3, fourth place is Bhalerao. Fixed. Now this is, I have taken this possibility. Now you got the idea? Right, then after that, let us try to go for this one. Lalal should be in the middle of Ramanathan and Imran. Ramanathan is confirmed here. Imran is confirmed here. Lalal should be in the middle of those two. Total how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are there. So 11 persons means he should come in between, means 5 and middle one will be the 11th one. So 5 places from here, 6th place should be from left or right between these two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this place. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this should be given to Lalal. Over. And similarly, go for this one. Between Lalal and Bhalerao, Prince should be there. So now, this is Lalal. This is Bhalerao. Where shall I keep Prince? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are there. 9 means 4 here, 4 there, and in between. Now it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, leave 4. This place, this one. That should be given to Prince. Hope you are able to understand. Just dots I put. Alright, next, is it clear? Now all the places are over? No, some more information is there. What is that one? Only one person sits between Prince and David, who sits fourth to the right of Gowda. That means here the only one person sits between Prince and David, who is means David is fourth to the right of Gowda. If you place David, automatically Gowda's place will be placed, and David's place is depending upon that of Prince, because already Prince is there on the chart. So now here only one person sits between Prince and David on the right side or left side. Suppose if you take one person on the right side of Prince, one person, but this place is already occupied by Kiran. So definitely this is Prince, one person is R, that means Ramanathan, and this place should be given to David. And David is fourth to the right side of Gowda. David is fourth to the right side of Gowda. If this is Gowda, first, second, third, fourth, this is David. So this place must be given to Gowda. Gowda. Fourth right, 1, 2, 3, fourth right. Due to lack of space, I just did like this. Don't get confused. This is the leftmost place. After that one, 1, 2, second place is Gowda. Third place is Balerao. Then 4, 5, this is the sixth place, David. Next Ramanathan. Next Prince. Next one place is vacant, this dot. This dot. Then Kiran. 2 places are vacant, Lalal. 2 places, Arun. Now this is clear. 2 places, Imran. 1, 2, 3, this is the last place. This is how you need to fix it up. Now the solution is over. Generally the first question will be how many persons are there in the row. Now just count this one quickly. How many persons are there very quickly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Just go on counting this one. You will get 24 number of persons are there. This will be the definite question for you, the first question. See students, to explain this one, it might have taken 15 minutes. I think I never count the time. But for you, you can do this one within 2 minutes. This is how exactly you need to go for this. Now see students, the IBPS examination is on the door. Within only 11-12 days are remaining now. Seriously, you prepare for that one. And what I am thinking, you please make this news viral. Some students are not, so many students are asking, sir, shall we take only puzzle and seating arrangement from your course? Till now we have not given in that way, but I am thinking of that one because I've discussed this topic more than 18 hours. Now just give me 2 days time. Within 2 days, we are going to give one announcement because I need to segregate the puzzles. If you want only puzzle and seating arrangement to be purchased, I'll plan for that one. Mostly in the next session, I'm going to announce that one to you. You can purchase, and what would be the price for that one, duration of that one. I'll give all my recorded videos. I'm telling you students, if you go through those videos, any puzzle and every puzzle you can do very, very easily. I'm going to keep the price also very low. That will be less than 250 rupees only. I'm just in because I need to calculate that one. My intention is not to earn money. You try to understand me. Everybody should be benefited. Mostly by next class, I'm going to give the announcement so that you can purchase only puzzle and seating arrangement for IBPS PO prelims as well as mains. Wait for that one. Okay. Anyway, students, thank you very much for joining me. And I request all of you again to increase the number of our Telegram channel members so that thousands of students may be benefited. Thank you very much. God bless you.